Rolling action.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Muzaki. I am from class 2A Islamic Religious Education Study Program, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training. In my video, I will discuss my achievement in the course English for Islamic Studies with the title of Morality as Early Childhood Education. As an education and moral Muslim, there needs to be an education that starts from when a child is born, with that reaches adulthood. Their education will not happen if we are not educated from children. Therefore, there needs to be knowledge in Islamic education that is embedded in a Muslim.
The foundation of
Islamic education is education that is based on Islamic teaching or Islamic guidance based on the Al-Quran and Hadith in an effort to develop and for Muslim individuals who are devout to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, love their parents and fellow humans, as well as love their homeland. In the scope of education, it is stated that there are two groups in education, namely education and study. Education are people who are responsible for the development of their student by trying to develop all the potential of student. Class. Educator have the same words, among them teacher, ustad, father, and mother in the family, community leaders, and anyone who function as an educator. Students are individuals who are growing and developing, both physically, psychologically, socially, and religiously, in reducing life in the world and in the hereafter. Thus, it is fitting and a newborn child in the world receives love and education from his parents with effort. That make the child grow with good character, Islamic values taught by the child parents, including moral education, civilized culture, and other. Morals are attitudes, behavior, and morality of a person based on religious teaching, and emphasizes the importance of good relations with God and fellow human beings. Morals can only be formed through education, habituation, and practice in everyday life. Therefore, children at an early age are very vulnerable to being taught moral education by their parents, so that over time the child grows up with the profession and habitation of moral in his heart. Morals do need to be instilled from an early age include morals toward Allah, knowing Allah, being grateful, praying, and believing in His power. Morals toward parents, obeying, respecting, loving, and not arguing. Morals toward teacher, listening, respecting, and being polite. Morals toward friends, helping each other, not bullying, and respecting difference. Morals toward the environment, maintaining cleanliness, not destroying and loving nature. The importance of early moral education includes forming children's character. Early age is the golden age where children are easily shaped and guided. Preventing defense behavior. Children who are accustomed to being honest, respected, and responsible from early age will be better prepared to face negative influence outside the home. Provisions for life in the world and the hereafter. Noble morals are not only needed to live in society, but also have the value of pursuing in the sake of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. In order for moral education to be successful, methods are needed that are in accordance with the character of children. Some effective methods include: example, uswah hasanah. Children learn from what they see. Therefore, teachers and parents must be examples of good morals in everyday life. Advice and guidance, providing gentle explanation and guidance so that children understand moral values. Habits, getting children used to doing good things, such as greeting, sharing, being honest, and apologizing. If moral education is ignored, then the potential for children to be influenced by negative values from outside will be even greater. Therefore, early childhood moral education must be a top priority in shaping a generation that excels spiritually and socially. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.